When dinosaurs lived. Let's get to know about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago. Then they became extinct, which means they died out forever. They were extinct long before people lived, so no one has ever seen a live dinosaur. We know a great deal about dinosaurs because people have found fossils of their bones and teeth. Often the bones make up whole skeletons which can be put on show in museums. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains of animals and plants that lived long ago. They are usually found hardened in rock. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils. How did we come to know about dinosaurs? We know about dinosaurs from the clues they left behind. People have found fossils of dinosaur bones, teeth, footprints, skin prints, eggs and nests. They all help scientists to work out what dinosaurs might have looked like and how they might have lived. People are still finding these clues. As new discoveries are made, ideas change. Teeth and claws tell us what dinosaurs ate. We can tell how fast a dinosaur ran from its footprints. Sometimes baby dinosaur skeletons are found inside fossilized eggs. From the clues they left behind, we can guess that this is what dinosaurs might have looked like in North America, 150 million years ago. In 1853, people thought iguanodon had a horn on its nose. Now we know the horn was a spike on its thumb. Let's see about the different types of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were all different shapes and sizes. Some were huge. Others were the size of a turkey. Some plodded on all fours. Others walked and ran on their back legs. There were fierce meat-eaters and gentle plant-eaters. Scientists believed that dinosaurs were reptiles, so they all scaly skin and laid eggs. Do you know what are reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that use heat from the sun to keep warm. They lay eggs. Let us understand what is camouflage. Camouflage is a way of hiding. Animals use their shape and color to blend in with their surroundings. Now let's look at the different dinosaurs. Apatosaurus. Some Apatosaurus footprints were found in Mexico. Before this, scientists thought that Apatosaurus has been too heavy to live on land and must have needed water to support its great weight. Coelophysis. Coelophysis was one of the first dinosaurs to have lived. It was about the size of a 10-year-old child. Compsognathus. Compsognathus is the smallest known dinosaur. It has sharp little teeth and could run very fast to catch lizards to eat. Diplodocus. Diplodocus was one of the longest dinosaurs. It had a tiny skull compared to its huge body. Seismosaurus and Brachiosaurus. Some of the largest dinosaurs, such as Seismosaurus and Brachiosaurus, were plant-eaters. Seismosaurus was the biggest dinosaur. Its name means earthshaker. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex was the biggest meat-eater ever. If it were alive today, it could peer into upstairs windows. Classification of dinosaurs. Scientists use dinosaurs' hip bones to classify them into two categories. If the hip bone points forwards, it is a lizard hip. If it points backwards, it is a bird hip. Protoceratops is a bird hip, because its hip points back. Compsognathus hip points forwards, so it's a lizard hip. Skin prints shows that dinosaurs had different kinds of skin. Some had big, knobbly plates and others had small, smooth scales. We can only guess what color their skin was. Maybe they were the same color as modern reptiles. A Camarasaurus head was put on the first Apatosaurus fossil found. Scientists called the dinosaur Brontosaurus. This was a mistake. We now know that this mixed-up Brontosaurus never existed. Where did dinosaurs live? Millions of years ago, the continents were joined together in a single land. Dinosaurs lived all over this land. We know this because bones have been found on every continent. Many different dinosaur bones have been dug up. This map shows the world today and some of the places where fossils have been found. When all the continents were joined together as one land, it was known as Pangaea. The world looked very different from today. What are continents? Continents are the 7 largest piece of land on the Earth today. Hypsilophodon bones are found as far apart as Antarctica, Australia, and Europe. Styracosaurus was found in South America. It was one of the oldest dinosaurs to be discovered. Tyrannosaurus rex is one of the largest dinosaurs. Its bones have been found in Asia, as well as North America. Iguanodon spent most of its time munching its food. It has been found in many places, including Europe. Tujiangosaurus has spikes all along its back and on the tip of its tail. It was discovered in China and Asia. Minmi was found in Australia quite recently. Its body was covered in hard plates like an armor. It was the first armored dinosaur to be named in Australia.